which you may be eager to know, is conduct of exams in July. You would have noticed that yesterday we had to postpone the exams of foundation from 24th June to 24th July. And a number of parents, number of students called up and said that why you are continuing with inter and final exams on 5th July itself. And let me mention that at the institute, it is not that we want to do exams as a formality, but we want to conduct exam for the reason that particularly the students who are in final, their careers cannot wait for a very indefinite long time. And it has to commence as soon as possible. Particularly, all these students are preparing for more than last 4 months. And if we keep on postponing exam for a long time, it would be very difficult for them to hold on to their spirit and sincerity. Now, not that I would say that on 5th July, the situation will be very conducive, but we are expecting that the way the number of COVID cases are falling, the daily cases, probably by the end of June, all states will open up and there will be conducive situation to conduct exam. And I may assure the students that suppose the situation is not conducive, then institute will not conduct exam at the risk of your life and health. If we are required to forcibly postpone, we may have to do that. But if situation is conducive, and you have observed as witnesses how best we conducted exams in November 2020, although there were a number of apprehensions, but we doubled the number of centers, we observed social distancing, we appointed 3 observers per center instead of 1 to see that students maintain social distance, enough sanitization was done, and the students had no complaint after November 20 and January 21 exams were over. So if exams are conducted, rest assured, we will take care of social distancing, sanitization, and everything that is required to see that students are not affected by COVID. But at the same time, again, we will wait till the end of the month. We'll see how governments do it. And if conditions don't improve, which is not in your hands, doctor's hands, in anybody's hands, in that case,